Ever wondered why you yawn when someone else does? It's not just boredom or tiredness, there's more to the story. Scientists believe yawning helps cool our brains and boost alertness. It's like hitting the reset button for your mind. But why is yawning contagious? It's all about empathy and social bonding. Our brains may copy someone else's yawn to mirror how they feel. So the next time you find yourself yawning after someone else, you're probably just feeling their vibe and cooling your brain at the same time. How long can you watch this video without yawning? Comment below.